enablers din. If you are so proud of what you've enablers din. If you are so proud of what you've done, if you think that what you did was the correct thing to do, why is it now that when you are asked in a formal investigation, bigla na lang mag-right to remain silent at mag-right against self-incrimination kayo? Proud bang kaya kayo? Tama ba kaya ang ginawa nyo? E di panindigan nyo ang inyong ginawa. Sabihin nyo kung anong inyong ginawa, aminin nyo. Pero deep in their heart, alam nila, that's not moral. That's not the true dispensation of justice. And that's why they cannot defend it in an open public discourse.